Hey guys, it's me again, CE Tech Dude. Just got back from a fast food establishment. Perhaps you heard of it. It's called Dairy Queen. And I have the limited edition, maybe even, pumpkin pie blizzard. If you ask anybody that knows me, they'll tell you that pumpkin pie is my absolute fave, and I love it. And today I'm excited to try this. It's melting, which isn't good. Just real quick. Delicious. On top you have some whipped cream. You have allspice on top as well. I think that's what it's called. I don't really know. It's some kind of cinnamon thing. Alright guys, let's dive right in and check this blizzard out. I'm drooling because I'm so excited about this. Pretty good. I wouldn't say the pumpkin flavor is super strong. I give it like a, 6 out of 10 for pumpkin flavor. Not bad. You also have in this there's some like cookie pieces. Just got one. It's like graham cracker, kind of like a graham cracker crust that you get on a typical Thanksgiving pumpkin pie. Let me say, pretty good. I wouldn't say it's exceptional. Like I said, it needs more pumpkin flavor. I mean, of course, it's going to vary by your local Dairy Queen and how good they are at making delicious blizzard treats. But yeah, I would say I'd give this, I'd give it 5 out of 7. 5 out of 7. That's a very arbitrary measurement, but that's what I'm going to give it. So guys, this has been another CE Tech Dude food review, actually the first one of the century, and hope you enjoyed it. Go get yourself a delicious pumpkin pie blizzard this season before time runs out and there's no more pumpkins to turn into delicious ice cream treats. All right, everybody, hope you have a great night. Thanks for watching. You just got CE Tech'd. See you next time.